Hey.
Nagluto mi og tinola kay magkuan ni karon.
Mag-movie marathon.
Movie marathon niya, tinola. Asa ka sabaw. Sabaw ako.
O ngano di man nila ako maibot ang steam. Kailangan nato og kutsilyo para maibot ani. Oh, demonstration din.
Tanawa ang
Hini
ini mo ni France. Masangit din sa ato tuntunlan. Dili ni siya mauha. This is not advisable.
mark that word. Use a marker.
Ate Marge! Hali, dali! May interview.
And we have the mastermind here.
Dali na.
Oy,
Oy,
lobat.
lobat.
Low battery, dismiss.
Dali na, dugay, oy. Lobat na.
Mao gyud.
Uy, lami.
Paana?
Human na. Kini, di po ni siya advisable na ibutang sa tinola. Kay hinog na si color
Amo na lang
orange
siya
na.
ituslo sa
Ituslo na ninamo sa suka.
And then this is a plant. A plant from outside the hospital. Because we are poor, we pick up this on the floor.
On the floor.
So we're going to cut it out.
Oy,
This
this
is
is not
not-
advisable, ha? See? This is not advisable.
So how
Hey, Ate
how we
Marge.
can cut it?
Yes. Okay, sorry. Ala.
That is our psychiatric patient.
Wala. No, I'm not. I just want
Usa man ni pagtanggal.
Dali. Yes, hi. Oh. Mona siya. Lain ko.
That is a haggard patient.
Moni ang amo rice. Still on the making. In the making.
So look at that. They are cooking and cooking and cooking.
Cooking and eating.
So that's why their body look baboy.
Wait. Our
Poor
problem, our main
exercise.
problem is where to get sayote.
Okay.
Sayote because this is not advisable.
That-
See? See?
That is a papaya.
We can't eat this raw. It's too right.
That is our English speaking person.
Center.
Sa canteen.
Sige, mga toko namin sa kantin. Bye-bye!
Okay, bye. See you later. See you alligator.
Or kita.
Okay, that's it. Bye.